It is springtime in the FitMenCook kitchen and wherever you are too. So we are going to liven it up with fresh vegetables. Today I'm putting my spin on a delicious pasta primavera with some shrimp. You won't believe how I add just a little bit of flavor with just 1 or 2 ingredients. Check it out. First up, let's prepare the pasta. And instead of using water, we're gonna some veggie broth. Some sea salt, fired up. Now, before we add in the pasta, we're gonna add in 2 more flavor enhancers. I'm gonna throw in some fresh thyme, a bay leaf, and then I'm gonna smash some garlic. I'm just gonna put that right on in here. Boom. While the stock comes to a boil, let's begin to prep our veggies. Let's start out with this big monster. I haven't seen a carrot this big before, have you? This is like a baseball bat. Throw this tomato at me. Let's see if I can do it.
It's gonna go real well,
This
real
is gonna
poorly.
Let's see. Oh, snap. It did.
That's why I ducked.
We're good? Okay, that wasn't my best moment. With our stock at a boil, we're gonna add in some of our gluten-free pasta. Prep the carrot, some bell pepper, some broccoli, and then just take them, especially these bigger pieces, and just slice them down the middle, break them up. Some onion, some zucchini, and some yellow squash. And then I thought about adding in a nice fresh protein, and shrimp immediately came to mind. So we're gonna peel and devein some shrimp. We're gonna season up the shrimp with a little bit of oil. I'm gonna use this land seasoning, just a little bit of it, but I really want the citrus flavor, so I'm gonna use the FitCook Sea Blend. Pinch of sea salt and some black pepper. Our pasta is finished, and you can see it's a really nice, dark, rich brown color. It's exactly what we want. Let me go ahead and taste it for you. Gonna reserve some of the pasta water in case I need it. And then I'm just going to drain. I am not going to rinse the pasta. Now it's time to start bringing everything together. Now I think that the best tool to use for this is going to be a large wok. So that way we can saute and cook up the vegetables, and you can toss them much easier in a wok. Fired up a medium-high heat. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of avocado oil. In go our shrimp, nice sear, and then toss. Then we're gonna take the shrimp and set it aside. We're gonna add just a little bit of avocado oil. In go our carrots. And I'm gonna add in some green beans. Beautiful colors, come on. This dish should remind you that it's the spring. Let's toss everything together. Next, let's add in our broccoli. Remember that pasta water I talked about? If it's not softening fast enough, you can just do tablespoons of this. Add in zucchini and squash and some red onion. Gonna add in a little bit of herbs action. Got the FitCook land seasoning. And now, look at this, beautiful colors. We're gonna add in our shrimp. Now we're gonna add in a drizzle of olive oil. Add in our gluten-free pasta. Just stir everything together. To liven up some more of the flavors, I'm gonna just grate a lemon. And don't forget the Parmesan. Hit it with a little bit of parsley. And look at this amazing gluten-free pasta primavera with shrimp. Taste test. Something so satisfying about lightly grilled vegetables. You feel alive, man. Man, this feels so much like spring. This is an abundant, hearty dish, but it's not a heavy dish.
I wanna make sure you're not lying.
My goodness, bro.
You like that? Look
I
at it.
like that the shrimp's not the only thing that has a little crisp pop to it.
It's that crisp, tender. Check out fitmencook.com to get this recipe. Happy spring. Peace.